Hi, this section we are going to see the case study of a furniture manufacturing company. So, basis on requirement, we have drawn a flow chart. Okay, when order is received to the merchant or business people, we have to create a sales order. Okay, based on the sales order, uh, based on sales order item, particular item, let's say if it is a cushion furniture. Okay, in that we will use multiple of raw materials. Okay, uh, basically we will analyze what are the raw material is required, what are the raw material is used, and what is the shortfall of those raw materials. Okay, once we analyze the stock level, if it is stock is available, then we directly allocate those raw material to the project. Okay, then process will the team will taking care of the whole raw material into the finished goods. Okay, if it is a raw material is shortfall, we have to raise the intent. Okay, once the intent is raised, automatically intent approved, that will automatically gone for the purchase order. Once the purchase order is raised, each time merchant sorry supplier will supply the raw material based on the invert. We have to key in the raw material stock into stock invert menu. Okay, then all goods is received or partially received, or whatever the criteria based on the business requirement, those raw material we will allocate into the project. Project means based on the sales order, we are developing the product. Okay, this is the basically flowchart. Based on the flowchart, we are designing the software. I'm getting into the software now. Okay, here sales menu is there. Inside the sales menu, the menu name called sales order, we have to create the sales order here. Okay, furniture, let's say we are getting order for 1,000 means, based on the requirement we will put the quantity. So far I am not changing any details, so I just gone for quantity one. Okay, if you are already added in SKU, we can get from here. Okay, now the sales order has been created. The customer name is Vaishak. Okay, the customer detail available here, and our detail will be available here. Okay, now the furniture is quantity one. The price was 1,000. After the amount, we have placed a menu name called action. Once we click into the action menu, once we get into this action menu, that will take into the new menu. Okay, in that a customer name is there, item is there, furniture I have changed into solar water heater due to we have to configure somewhere page. What are the configuration means, if, let's say the solar water heater made up of multiple components, so those components we need to configure. Okay, so furniture to solar water heater I have renamed. Okay, I have placed for a quantity for 1 and order value is 500. Okay, so here the analyze. So raw materials for solar water heater, we have made up of 3 component for test purpose. Okay, raw material 1 totally required 100 quantity, available is 50, and remaining 50 item is required. Okay, in this case we have to order the raw material. So here we can order a supplier, we can select here. Okay, the same raw material we can order in multiple supplier. Okay, the 50 is required. Let's say 25 is for the Kumar and 25 for the Vijay KVM supplier. This supplier is supplying for us for 50 rupees, and this Vijay KVM is supplying for 425 rupees. Means we can create the order like this. Okay, for the all the raw materials, if it is raw material is excessively available, means here raw material excessively minus 10 is required. So no, we don't want to order any raw material. Okay, if it is a shortfall, if it is a raw material is not available, then only this menu will appear. Otherwise this row will be marked as not required. Okay, and just below that we have configured all raw material level for a particular finished good. Okay, once we raise this intent, that will automatically generate purchase order. All the purchase order detail will be available here. How many quantities we have ordered, what is the value, and action. We have basically 3 menus. One is the edit, view, and delete. Okay, those who ordered the intent or purchase order, those employee or team lead details will be available here. We can manage multiple branch detail. Okay, and next menu is stock invert. Based on the stock invert, what are the stock is available, means all the detail will be available here. Let's say stock invert has been done. Okay, production work is going on, those work status detail you can check here. Okay, this is for one item, that is name called solar water heater. If it is for multiple order is available, multiple finished good name is available, means all the item details you want to click this menu, means you can go through here. This is basically, this is the overall case study for based on this flow chart. Okay, so sales order we have raised, sales order is raised, and this is the stock analysis page. This is the stock analysis thing. If it is stock is fulfilled, we don't want to do any orders. That will things will be basically gone for a work in progress status. If it is a stock is not available, basically we have to raise the purchase order. This is the purchase order. We have to raise the purchase order things. Based on the purchase order, inward has been done, means those inward details will be available in this menu. Okay, and work allocation things we have to work out. Okay, once we complete it, shoot the video and share with you. Thank you.